In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a PlayStation controller on Forza Horizon 6 for PC. Whether you're using a PS4 DualShock 4 or a PS5 DualSense controller, we will walk you through the setup process step by step. And the first thing that you need to do is connect your PlayStation controller. For a wired connection, simply plug your controller into your computer using a compatible USB cable. Now, for wireless connection, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share or create button until the light bar starts flashing. Then open your PC's Bluetooth settings, select Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and click on the controller when it appears in the list. Because once connected, you should receive a confirmation message that the controller is ready to use. And then you need to open Steam on your computer. Even if you're playing through another launcher, Steam's controller support can help your PlayStation controller work properly with many PC games. Click Steam in the upper left corner, then select Settings and open the controller section. After that, you need to enable the PlayStation support. Inside the controller settings, enable PlayStation controller support. This allows Steam to recognize your DualShock 4 or DualSense controller and translate its inputs for compatible games. And what will happen is you should see your connected controller listed under detected devices. And then you need to add the game to Steam if needed. If your copy of Forza 6 isn't installed through Steam, you can add it manually. So, to do that, you need to click the games from the top menu and select a non-Steam game to My Library. Once you've done that, browse the list, select Forza Horizon 6, and add it to your Steam library. What will happen is this will allow Steam in the controller configuration tools to work with the game. And then finally, launch the Forza Horizon 6. Once the game's open, try navigating the menus using your PlayStation controller. If the controller isn't working correctly, you should be able to move through the menus and select options without using your keyboard or mouse. And after that, you can adjust the controller settings. If needed, open the game's controllers or input settings. Here you can adjust steering sensitivity, vibration strength, trigger, dead zones, and other controller preferences. And of course, take a few moments to customize these settings for the best driving experience. And basically, that's it for today's video. After connecting your controller and enabling control support, you should be ready to enjoy the game with your preferred setup. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.